Level Book D. Let's make a bird feeder. Written by Rachel Rice. Focus question. What are the steps for making a bird feeder? Words to know. Bird feeder. Bird seed. Dried fruit. Hang. Slices. Let's make a bird feeder. We need a pan, bird seed, fruit, and water. We add bird seed to the pan. We add dried apple to the pan. We add green grapes to the pan. We add red berries to the pan. We add orange slices to the pan. We add cold water to the pan. We put the pan in the freezer. Later, we take the bird feeder out. We hang the bird feeder.